In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to paper trade on Webull. Paper trading is a fantastic way to practice investing without risking real money, and Webull offers a great platform to get started. So whether you're a beginner looking to learn the ropes or an experienced trader wanting to test new strategies, this guide will help you navigate the paper trading feature on Webull with ease. First, ensure that you're logged into your Webull account. If you haven't signed up yet, head over to the Webull website and create an account. Once you're logged in, direct your attention to the top of the interface. You should see a selection labeled Trading and Investing. Click on this option to proceed. This section serves as your gateway to all the trading activities you can engage in on Webull, including paper trading. Next, within the Trading and Investing menu, look for the Paper Trade option. This feature is designed specifically for simulated trading, allowing you to experience real-time market conditions without any financial risk. Clicking on Paper Trade will take you to the paper trading dashboard, which mimics the live trading environment closely. It's a perfect sandbox for testing out trading strategies before implementing them with real money. Now that you're on the paper trading page, you'll find an option that says, "Click here to start practicing." This button is your starting point for getting into the actual trading interface. Once you click this, you'll have full access to the paper trading environment, where you can start experimenting with trades using virtual currency. As you dive into paper trading, take advantage of all the features Webull has to offer. You can explore different stocks, ETFs, and options just as you would in a real trading scenario. Pay close attention to the market trends and data provided by Webull's intuitive interface, which will help you make informed decisions. One of the great benefits of paper trading is that it allows you to track your performance without incurring any losses. Keep an eye on your trades and analyze your successes and mistakes. This analysis is crucial for refining your strategies and enhancing your trading skills over time. Remember, the goal of paper trading is to build your confidence and understanding of the market. Use it as a learning tool and take the time to familiarize yourself with various trading strategies. Once you feel comfortable and consistent in your paper trading results, you can consider transitioning to live trading. And there you have it. You now know how to paper trade on Webull. This practice is invaluable for honing your skills and preparing for real market conditions. Thank you for watching and happy trading.